Relevant, personal, seamless interactions are critical to driving more conversions and eventually increasing your revenue. Hi, I'm Taiwan. Driving valuable interactions more frequently is key to ensuring your revenue continues to grow in a sustainable way. Enabling helpful connection with niche audiences is critical to drive more conversions at scale. 74% of consumers are more likely to be loyal to a brand if the app is seamless and easy to use. Experience does drive revenue. Enabling helpful connections does drive revenue. A tried and tested way to connect with people is storytelling. And these days, the best stories are told through video. Video allows viewers to lean into other people's stories or tell their own in rich ways. It doesn't need to be long to be effective. Take YouTube Shorts. People are telling incredibly immersive and creative stories in 60 seconds or less. YouTube Shorts had 5 trillion views globally at the end of last year. We are always looking for ways to facilitate your brands being present in helpful ways during these interactions. That's why we are expanding video action campaigns to Shorts. Brands can drive more conversions on and off YouTube with a single automated campaign. But we are not just stopping at video campaigns. App campaigns for install will now also run on YouTube Shorts. More opportunity to convert curiosity to action. Adding a video to your app campaign can drive a 20% uplift in installs. When viewers take that action, you can now take them straight to what they're really looking for thanks to Web2App Connect. This can bring incredible value because most users prefer apps to mobile web. Users are more likely to have their payment information already stored on the app. On average, advertisers who have implemented deep linking are seeing over 2 times uplift in conversion rate. So the next time you're planning out ad campaigns, take your customers on a journey that leads them directly into your app. The journey to most offline purchases begins online. Even if the final sales happens in store, face-to-face, customers would have already relied on Google Search, YouTube, and Compare Snap to reach that point. We are here as your partners to ensure your brands show up early, show up clearly, and show up in front of the right people at just the right time, eventually driving more customers to your stores. It may sound challenging, but figuring out the digital combination that leads to that perfect moment doesn't need to be complicated. We are bringing together the best of Google local formats to exclusively drive store value. Let's revisit Performance Max. With Performance Max, you can now set offline-only goals that will allow you to reach consumers who are most likely to visit your business and make a purchase in person. Performance Max campaigns will also become the next generation of smart shopping and local campaigns.
Hello, I'm Eamon, Senior Digital Media Manager at Vodafone Australia. We're super focused on creating a seamless omnichannel experience for our customers. But the past 2 years have made that hard. In the lead up to a new device launch, we needed to explore new digital avenues to drive store traffic and sales, so we turned to Google for ideas. Together, we deployed a geo test for a new product launch using local campaigns. We used in-store footfall trackers and store revenue to measure the incremental impact of the digital media push on offline traffic in specific stores. The control group was comparable stores without that digital support. The campaign resulted in 12% incremental revenue for the new device by reaching nearby customers and driving store visits and in-store sales. In addition, we were able to almost triple store visits and achieve a 70% reduction in cost per store action from local campaigns. All this in a period where COVID-19 restrictions significantly impacted footfall traffic. I was also really excited to learn that we'll be able to self-upgrade local campaigns to Performance Max, so we can access even more inventory and new features in the future. Automation will help us scale our omnichannel strategy even further and drive stronger results across the funnel for our business.
Vodafone's example shows us that relevant, personal, seamless interactions are critical to driving more convergence and eventually increasing your revenue. Be it visits to your furniture store, inquiries for your Spanish class, or directions to your day spa, Google can help you build hyper connections through world-class automation. Our ads will always serve on the best inventories across Google properties to reach customers where they are at efficiently and at scale.